garage door opener collection. Number one, we're starting off with a 3280. This is not it, but the 3280 is upstairs and it was manufactured in 2005. The opener is a 1/2 horsepower and it's in my room right now, so I don't want to get upstairs and get it. The second and third and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 openers we've gotten so far. How many openers do we got for so far? 4. Now, we're gonna start off with the first opener I found. Now, because of after still having 4 openers now, I'm just gonna be showing you how many openers we have. So we have the 1245. This is a LiftMaster 1245, January 1993. Wow, that's old. This opener is known as a possessed motor. What does possessed mean? It means the opener just randomly starts running when it's plugged in, and it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to just to make a click noise and just be standard. The gear sprocket assembly is still standard as is, and it is not running properly because of the gear sprocket assembly not even working properly because it is shredded. Well, once I have the case all removed, I will be able to show you what's left of it. Alright, second opener. It does also have its original wall pump like the 1245. This is the LiftMaster 1250 LM. This is looking like the 1265 LM we had before, especially it's a 1/3 horsepower opener motor. But you may thought it was just a new cord for the motor, but you actually figured, oh, it's something else. Yeah. So this opener is from 1996, and it's pretty nice. Something I like to say about it, it's a billion code one. You can see that the board is a billion code board. And yeah, this is a 1250 LM, which is pretty cool. No MVIS because it's a standard chain drive motor. It's not an E-State series. Also, here's the third motor, which is a LiftMaster 2280-267. This opener is from 2004. This opener works with a loose sprocket. It has a loose sprocket already in it, and if you want to see proof, here you go. You can see it will spin a little wobbly. There it goes. You can see it's wobbly. The gear sprocket assembly is about to get sheared off. So the wall button I'm using is a Blue Board 78LM. It did not come with it, but I'm using it as is, like it's real. Now, we do also got some extra stuff. We got some more safety sensors. We also got a chain spreader. A chain spreader spreads out the chain so it won't slack on the rail. So here are the 2 gear caps for these 2 motors. We can also have you as a possessed one, even though yours doesn't turn properly. You can turn, but half of a second. So why don't we go ahead and insert these onto the openers? Dude, it just even fell right directly off the openers. Yep, that was BTS. Behind the scenes. And this one right here, the 1250 LM, glad it runs fine. It runs just like normal. I also want to move that out of the way. Looks like it has a different capacitor. This one has a different one as well. Let's see what this one has. Wow, same capacitor as the 1245. All of these openers do have power cords, which is good. I wish yours was cut off, man. Just joking around so I can hear you run. Man, nice hat. You too, Stinky. I'm gonna be dusting them off. And the reason why this side is not dusty because it came off of a rail. So all of the parts on the openers are all original parts. But this one I already got before I got the 2280. This is proof. Let me close it. Also, you can also hear the 2280 sounds a little more a little more lowered, and while it's opening, it sounds like it's closing. So literally, it's like doing opposite things. I also need more light bulbs for these motors. You yes, you yes, you no. You're just stinky, and you're bad for running. Without any reason at all. I'm just going to try to fix you, okay? I'm going to try to fix you, man. I'm going to try to fix you. Yeah, I'm going to try to fix you. I'm going to fix your little bra. I'm not going to fix you. I'm just going to fix you. I'm going to kick you because you're stinky. Yeah, look how much good is on it. It looks like somebody took a little piss on it. Whack. But if you want to see the gear, it's so turny. Gosh, but this one, that's even better. Yeah, the gear sprocket assembly is not even wobbly. Like, is that even true? Yeah, it's true. This gear sprocket assembly has been running nice and smooth since 1996. And oh my gosh, good thing we have original wall buttons for these motors. Alright, this is it for today's video. We'll hope to see you next time. See ya. But also, we're going to show you all of the openers, including for 3280. So this is just half of it. So actually, see you later. Bye.